How to make money on YouTube without actually making any videos yourself. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can make money on YouTube even though you won't be making a video yourself. So stick around until the end of this video because I'm going to give you a secret tip that's going to allow you to, you know, have a even better chance at earning money. So let's get started. So first things first, what you're going to do is here on YouTube, all right? First things first, let me just clarify, you will be making a video, you just won't be making a video, meaning you won't be recording yourself, you won't be doing any work, you will just be doing simple tasks, and by the end you will have created a very good video that you can monetize easily and you can earn money from it as well. So if I come over here onto the search bar, I will open the incognito tab and I've opened YouTube, and I just simply gonna search for motivational music, right? Motivational videos or motivational songs or videos or whatever. Like you can create these ones, but for this one you need to, download a bunch of videos. So we're not going to do that. We're going to making other videos which are called relaxation videos. Let me just show you relaxing music. All right, we're going to search for that, and over here, as you can see, these videos are really easy to make, and they have millions and millions of views. So this video has 300 million views, this one has 71 million views. This one is a live stream and almost 3.k people are watching it. This one as well. And we have others as well, like this one as well. It's premiering right now and it's 1.5 thousand people are watching this video. We even have this one over here, which is like 25 million people are watching it. So you can pretty much see that these types of videos are gaining a lot of views. So if I come over here, I enter in the calculator, right? So per thousand views, all right, 1,000 views is equal to, let's just say, sometimes a different amount of money. So these types of videos are, let's just say, earning $10, right? So over here, let's just say that you are getting 1 million views, right? And 1,000 views is equal to $10, right? And in 1 million there are 1,000. So let me just show you. So multiply 1,000 by 10, you will get $10,000 for 1 million views. So which is pretty simple. And over here, that video had reached like 300 million. So it's a lot of money right there. So these types of videos are really easy to make. They don't require any skill whatsoever, and you can monetize them easily, and you can earn pretty much hundreds and thousands of dollars. So let's just do it. So to actually make these videos, let me just come over here onto my regular Google right here. And over here, what I want you guys to do is go over to a couple of websites. First is called Pixabay, right? Over here, from this website, we are going to be extracting videos that we're going to be using. So this is a website where we can have free stock footages, stock images, whatever we want, music as well. It all depends on us. So over here, we can get that as well. And another website that I'm gonna ask you to open up is called YouTube Audio Library, and in this website you're going to be downloading different musics. All right, so free musics, these are all copyright free, these are for YouTube, you know, and you won't get any copyright strikes on your videos if you use any music from these. So, and if you have stock footages which are also copyright free and you're using copyright free music, then you can easily create these types of videos. So if you come over here and go back to YouTube, all right, let's take a look at those videos and what type of videos are there. Then if I play this video, I have pretty much a good idea of what type of footages I'm gonna see. So yeah, as I suspected, simple, footages from these, like scenery or sky or world or astro, like calming videos. So these are the types of videos that we want. So we're just gonna come over here onto Pixabay and we're gonna search for those videos. So let me just click on videos, and over here, this is a video that I really like. I think it looks really nice. It's a forest, god rays and sunbeams are coming out of it, so we can use this one. All right, let me just open sunbeams in other tab as well. We can download this one. Actually, let me just download this video. I've downloaded that one as well, and we have a bunch of other sunbeam type of videos here. Over here you can see, like this one over here, this I think is really nice. So let's go ahead and download this one. 1080p, yep. We want that. Download that. Yep. We're gonna go back. I saw another video that I really liked. Over here, this one. I think this looks pretty nice. Butterflies are flying. Though this looks pretty fake, actually. You know what? We're gonna skip that. If it were natural, it would have been really, really nice. We're gonna download a bunch of these videos, but you generally get the point, right? You're gonna download these types of videos and you're gonna compile them together and put a background, and boom, you have yourself a really nice video. And also, let me just search for astro videos as well, astrology or something like that. Like these types of videos, I think these looks really, really calming. Let me just search for earth. All right, so like you can download these types of videos as well, and then you can make them. So now let's go ahead and find an audio that we would like. So in audio, we want something relaxing. All right, so we'll just search for, let's say, mood, and we want it to be relaxing, really, really calm. Right, we want calm. We don't want funky. Yeah, I think that would look nice. Other filters, we would say maybe in the genre, like maybe we want ambient ones, and we want like cinematic, and we're gonna apply that, and boom, let's go ahead and take a listen to this one. All right, I don't like that one. So let me just go ahead and find a music that we can all like. Actually, this one right here I think would do good. All right, so I'm gonna use this video. All right, maybe this one as well. All right, so I found the video. All right, I mean, I found the song that I like, so let me just make you hear it. All right, so take a listen to this one. I like it a lot. Yeah, I think that works. So now we just simply click on download, download the audio track. There we go. We download it. Now we're good to go. Next thing what we can do is we can use an online video editing tool, which could be free, or you can download this video editing tool called Premiere Pro. Right, it's a pretty nice, pretty good video editing tool, but you won't need it. You can also use other ones as well, like DaVinci Pro, which is also a pretty free video editing tool, and you can easily create these small little videos on there. So let me just go ahead and add a test. All right, I'll just call it okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to import our images and videos that we just recently downloaded. All right, we're going to go over here into videos. We have this one right here, this one over here, and this one over here. So we're just simply going to download them and put them over here into our bin over here. We're going to import them and put them over here into the timeline, and then we're going to select them all. We're going to unnest them. Oh, sorry about that. We're going to unlink them. Right, then we're just simply going to delete the audio. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add in the audio that we just recently downloaded. All right, we're going to go into downloads, go into music. Here we go. This is the audio. We're just simply going to put it over here underneath it. Right, there we go. So now we have ourselves a video, and this is what we're going to do. And we're going to keep doing this until we have like 12-minute long video, maybe 20-minute long, 30, 40, an hour long. It all depends on you, right? You can add a bunch of these videos and you will be good to go. So you can even lower the music as well. So audio gain, maybe like 2, 3, -4, so that it's a little bit lower and it looks really, really nice. So it's really, really nice. Once it's done, just simply pause it and just export it by the help of these two buttons, Control or Command, whatever your software you're using. Like Control and M, it's gonna pop up, and then you just input the name over here and just simply, save it and export it and give it a few seconds. And once it's exported, you can go ahead and upload it onto YouTube, and then just sit back, relax, and collect your views and collect your money. So that's how you basically create a video without actually having to do anything. No voiceover, no script, no video editing, not even paying for anything. Just downloading things, combining them together, and then uploading them onto YouTube. That is it. And the secret tip that I had for you guys was to use this software called a TubeBuddy, or any other software that you want. What that basically will do is it will give you a bunch of these stats that you can see over here, and it will tell you if your video is SEO score. And if your video has a good SEO score, then you will be able to make a lot of money, because this is the thing that depends on the success of your video. So make sure you check all of these things as well. So these are the things that I wanted to tell you guys, and now you know them, and that's how you create a video without having to actually create one yourself. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Take care and goodbye.